So this is how it's going to look after you're done. So with this key, you take this to any locksmith, and you have to purchase maybe a blank key from eBay or something, and they will cut it for its dimension, and it works. Can't beat this. Very simple. If you like this, give me a like, give me a comment. If you have some locks that you wanna let me know, try to open them. I have plenty. I've opened plenty of locks. This brand, other brands, there's not a lock I haven't opened. Just stay tuned and give me a big like and subscribe.